Hello everyone. I wish all are excellent. We all want to do good things in our life. It may be good for myself or my family or for others or for the whole world, for the society. Anyhow, whenever we want to do good things, there are so many questions in our mind. First question, oh my God, it's too late. I might have started from early age. Or even sometimes question arises, it's too early to do such things, right? Let me retire first, or let me a youngster, or let me a old aged person, then only I'll do. But believe me, there is no time limit to do good things. It's never too early or it's never too late. We'll discuss different examples to better understand it. Before that, how we can define good or bad? Of course, good or bad are relative terms, but on an average, what we are doing for ourselves or for others it will be good, or our deeds will be good when it won't harm anybody. It should not harm myself or others. Then only it is good. Because many times it happens, we try to do something, but unfortunately, the result may not be what we want. Doesn't matter. But we should be very careful. The deeds must not be harmful for myself or for others. Then we will discuss how it cannot be, or it will never be too early to do good things. I'll put an example. Many times parents think regarding spirituality, when children will be elder, will be youngsters, then only they can understand these things. Or this is not the age to teach them spirituality or different behaviors. Many parents think like that. If you will do like this, who knows that age will come or not? Who knows during this time span how we are spending our time? Somebody may be distracted. Somebody may be lose control on himself or herself. So why not, if we all know spirituality is very good and it's the need of the hour, what do you mean by spirituality? I may not be aware of, but to me spirituality is nothing to know yourself, to believe in yourself and the Almighty. So if we understand that is the need of the hour, might be at our late age we have understood, why not we should give our children from the very beginning? Because it will be helpful for them to lead their life ahead. So it's never too early to do good things. They are not going to deal the whole life with us only. They are going to face the whole world. And it's never too late to do good things. We can take so many examples. Let's begin from an insect, that is ant. You have seen, all of us, we have seen ant, right? How they go in a queue and how they follow their path. If we did something, they miss their line, and we'll capture one of the ant, and we'll try our best to create the obstacle in front of that ant. You will see anyhow that ant will try the best to escape from you. We are human being, much more better than them. We have understanding, we have brain power. We have both mind and heart to understand the things. So of course, whatever may be the situation, we can try our best. If it is failed, then also again we can begin. Let's discuss another example. We have all heard about Apple company and the founder Steve Jobs. If you listen to his story elaborated by him only in Stanford University 2005. I'll put in the description box the link also, you can listen his whole story. What he was elaborating, he started Apple company with his friend, from his friend's garage only. So from this two person, the company turned established company. We all heard about Apple. But when he turned 30, Apple established, everybody knows, he became billionaire. At that moment, some issues occurred and he got fired from Apple. After that, further some time span, he lost. Again, he came back. He thought this is the time to recreate, and he created another two company. Those are Next and Pixar. So after some days, again Apple purchased or bought Next. So Steve Jobs turned back to Apple. So like that, see, so established person, if you listen his story, how he was elaborating, how he failed, again came back. Because he was explaining that beginning is always very good. That pressure is something fresh in comparison to I'm successful, that burden. And another example, if we'll discuss about a legend, Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, if you will go through his life story, once it has happened, he was bankrupt. And he came back to television industry from movies and started KBC. And again he turned back and started again movies, established his life, and till now, you know what KBC is doing, how it's performing. So anyhow, whatever happens in our life, it's never late to do something new. It's never late to do any good things. I'm elaborating the whole topic regarding good deeds. This good deeds or our intention to do good unknowingly strength of us. Of course, the way will be there. If our thought will be so noble, if our intention will be so noble, way will be there. We should believe in ourselves, go ahead, forget about time constraint, never wait to do good things, or never hesitate to start at the late age or late time also. So it's never too late or too early to do any good things in our life. I hope now we won't wait to do good things in our life, or even we never hesitate to begin or to start anything good. It may be our dream, it may be our thought process, or anything. Whenever I am telling some good dates, it may be planting a tree. So we know what are the good things we want to do, because what you want to do, I can't tell. What good things you want to do in your life, I can't tell. What I want to do in my life, you may not know. So my appeal for everybody to note down what are the good things we dream or we want to do in our life. Don't be late. Just start. At the same time, if you were thinking it's too late, doesn't matter, then also start. So forget about whether it is early or late, but start doing things or start doing good things. Then only you can go ahead, live your life, enjoy your life, and live peacefully till the last breath. Thank you.